Will you never be satisfied? All the luxuries your sons enjoy. Some of them, one of them, very rude. Your son took a contract. If 8 billion, maybe he paid, is it 80 million or 800 million as tithe to you? And then he abandoned the contract. Because if he doesn't pay tithe, he will go to hell, so he has to pay. He abandoned the contract. And when the law came up, he ran to court. Does he have common sense? Does he have self-respect? Any person will have gone to the House of Assembly to defend why he had not finished the contract after they had reviewed. Tell them that I will complete the contract. But I suspect he sold it to somebody who said nothing can happen. Because you people control this country. You control our spirits, you control our souls, you control our brains, you control our money, you control our politicians. And you'll be pretending as if you are very humble. You talk as if you cannot kill a fly. Talk as if you cannot kill a fly. Your son ran to court. Most probably, your members are in charge of that judicial premises. Got an injunction restraining EFCC, Inspector General of Police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, House Kaduna State House of Assembly, and all that. Can you imagine the disgrace you have brought to the body of Christ? Instead of repenting, it's like Ananias taking Peter to court. It's like Satan suing God. It's embarrassing. And that's how most of you are. Very, very deceptive. You talk from this corner of the mouth and this corner of the mouth. I said in the beginning of this year that the mighty wind will blow and Tolo Yash will open. And that we will face reality. Many of you don't care about this nation. You have houses overseas. You have permanent residences for your children. One jobless fellow said that my son is married to a white woman because of visa and I attacked general overseers. My son went there as a professional, as an expatriate in that business, in that place. Went there as an expatriate. You sit here and be defending those who ruin your economy. It's tragic. And there are many of them. They run around politicians. That is in Kaduna State. How many contracts will he have had in a Lagos State that he might not have done? Is it not possible he had in Oyo, Ondo, Ogun, Oshun, Kwara, and all over the place? And then all these small pastors that don't know anything, they'll be fasting like because you told them to fast. They will be shaking their head like concrete mixer. They'll be falling down and standing up as if they have grand mal epilepsy. Baba, some of us are very sad. Very, very sad. Very disappointed, Baba. We are disappointed. I know you have 8 billion. Go and refund it to Kaduna State. Refund it. Refund it. That's obtaining under false pretenses. Same thing as Yahoo Yahoo. Go and return it. Who will take church pastors seriously? I just imagine how many contracts. Maybe that's why they took EFCC chairman from your church, so that nothing will be said. How can we complain about Yahaya Bello when pastor's son is liable. When pastor's son is misusing the courts to defend himself, those who come to equity must come with clean hands. Baba, problems are not spiritual. Problems now be the problems. Problem is from you, the leaders. Leaders. My generation and those of you older than me, you are people. People. You come with your own decree, touch not my anointed. I told you people that this generation is not T-O-U-C-H. They will T-O-R-O-C-H. They will set fire on your garment of righteousness, of ungodliness. That's 8 billion. You know what 8 billion is? If you spend 30,000 naira a day, to take 300 years for you to finish 1 billion. Telling us heaven, don't pay tithe, won't make heaven. These days, you drank tea with God, did this. When you drank tea with God, God didn't tell you that your son should go. So return our money. So return our money. To return our money. Return Kaduna State money. I will carry tambourine, the waka. Do as if now. I've always suspected this false humility. And you are many. I know you people are many. When a Beldamina is talking, you will abuse him. When Charles Awuzie was talking, you will abuse Tony Origbo. What is that other woman's name? When they are talking, people will abuse them. Run to court. Every pastor now is running to police and running to court. God is no longer defending them. Oh, this is not what I can see. Thank God I got born again that time. Oh, that time when men were men. No be now. But God still remains God. Bishop Edwards him say, those who are holy